ફાયરી ચીલીની સાથે એક યુનિક સ્મોકી ફ્લેવર. લાઈક ઇટ?
I love it.
નવા મેગી કોરિયન નૂડલ્સ. ફાયર પણ ડિઝાયર પણ.
전 세계가 사랑하는 한식. 이제는 단순한 유행을 넘어 인도인의 일상에 스며들고 있습니다. 한식의 새로운 도약이 시작된 이곳. 인도에서 어떤 변화가 일어나고 있을까요? 김치, 비빔밥, 불고기, 그리고 이제는 김치맛 라면까지. 인도 현지에서 한식을 접할 수 있는 기회가 점점 늘어나고 있습니다. 특히 인도의 식품 대기업들조차 한식 스타일 제품을 출시하며 이 열풍에 동참하고 있습니다. 최근 인도의 유명 방송국에서는 왜 한식이 인도인들의 마음을 사로잡았는지 소개하고 있습니다. 자, 그렇다면 인도 유력 미디어 인디아 투데이의 한식이 인도에서 사랑받는 비밀 같이 보시죠.
Annyeonghaseyo, Namaste. I am Nikita Kapoor, and in this special segment, I will take you through everything Korean, from K-pop to K-music to K-drama to K-food, every bit of it. K-wave is taking India by a storm, and I will show you everything. So let's begin.
Now I am a K-drama addict.
The K craze is taking India by a storm. Youth is soaking in all the K-pop beats and K-drama feels. With the rise of Hallyu in India, people are curious about the Korean cuisine. From the tangy, spicy goodness of kimchi to the hearty jangpong and savory Korean fried chicken, Indian palates are loving the rich, flavorful and spicy Korean dishes.
We are here to explore the Korean culture, but we cannot forget our Indian culture, which says, "Pehle pet puja, fir kaam duja." K-pop and K-dramas have taken over all the screens in India, and youth is also curious about Korean food. From spicy kimchi to tteokbokki to ramyeon to corn dog, everybody wants to try everything, and we will show you all of it.
Korean food hits the perfect balance of flavors. Just like Indian food, it is a harmony of spicy and sweet. The textures, the spices, it all appeals to our desi taste buds with a Korean twist.
Thanks to my friends. My friends are into K-drama, K-pop, and they actually, introduced me to the Korean culture, to their food, how to use the chopsticks, how to, explore their cuisine. I like the tea. I also like the environment, the ambience here.
The craze for Korean cuisine is not just limited to fancy food outlets. From iconic spicy ramen like Shin Ramen and Samyang to ready-to-eat Korean delicacies like tteokbokki and japchae, Indian stores are bringing the taste of Korea to local shelves.
Korean wave is not just about K-pop music, fashion. It is about food also. Korean cuisine is making its way in Indian people's heart through food. And it is not just dine out. You can get all these food items, you can make it at home, tteokbokki, ramen and everything. Just go to your nearest supermarket. It is that easy now. If you haven't tried it yet, this is your sign.
These stores are not just about convenience. They are offering a glimpse into Korean food culture.
I really like this place. They carry a lot of Korean ingredients for tteokbokki and kimchi fried rice. They have really good collection of the sauces that are there, and the drinks are really good. For me, the main thing that I come here for is the groceries for the tteokbokki so that I can make at home. I am a big fan of Korean cuisine. I think the flavor profile is very similar to our Indian cuisine. We use red chili powder, they use Korean pepper flake. They have a lot of sweet notes to their savory items, which I don't dislike, but it's something that is not for my palate. So I try to use more of the spicy side of the Korean cuisine to satisfy my spicy cravings when I have one.
People are even capitalizing on this rising Korean wave in India.
We basically started this brand around 1.5 years back, and so we've traveled to a lot of places, and we thought like, why not bring this to Noida, because this was something which was missing in this place, and we ourselves are big Korean fans. Almost all our drinks are named after Korean K-dramas and all these things, and of course there's this the Korean wave is there in India, and we feel that this would boom in the next 5 to 10 years. So like, why not ride this wave early on? So we've put almost 2 years into starting this venture. We are both from good colleges. We had other options too, but this is something that we had fun in. So this is
So the thing is that when we started, we did not know how it will turn out. It was completely a blind step into the dark. But what happened is that people showed up actually, and they keep showing up every day. So that was a big thing for us.
K-pop fans are even learning the Korean language to feel closer to the Korean culture.
안녕하세요. 저는 셀로니입니다. 저는 19이에요. 그리고 저는 인도 사람이에요. So we are at Hanok in MKT, and we just had some amazing Korean food like ramen, tteokbokki and kimchi. It was amazing. So I've been into Korean culture since 2018, and everything about it just so mesmerizing, from food to culture to music to everyday lifestyle. And I would love to visit Korea once and live there. I'm also studying for it. I'm also studying Korean. I'm in my level 5, and the language itself is very interesting to learn, and I get to do a lot of stuff aside from learning in the center where I'm studying, in Korean Culture Center, like activities related to Korean festivals, culture, etc., etc. They tell me about the whole Korean lifestyle, and it's really good.
인도와 한국의 맛있는 연결. 한식은 이제 인도의 생활이 되었습니다. 앞으로의 한식 이야기가 더욱 기대되지 않나요? 여러분도 지켜봐 주세요.